How many times has this happened to you? It's 9:55 and your favorite show starts at 10. You know the clock is ticking, so you rush to get all of your favorite snacks together. You finally start to make it upstairs to your television, and with 3 minutes to spare. But right as you start to sit down, you realize you have to go to the bathroom. Knowing that you can't hold until the first commercial, you rush. It's 10 o'clock, and you're right on time. But, right as you sit down to turn on the TV, you can't find the remote.
You'll never think that you'll be able to see your show on time, but now there's hope with the remote control finder. Here's how it works. It attaches to your TV so you won't lose that. You push this button right here, and your remote lets off a sound that'll help you find it easier. It's similar to when you lose your cell phone and you have someone call it. It's pretty much the exact same technology. If you just call the number 1-800-FIND, you can have this piece of technology for just 6 easy payments of $18.99.
Wow, it was so easy.
Fear will hold you prisoner. Hope will set you free. The remote control finder will help you watch TV.